Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to do the hard reset of your Alcatel 3X 2019. The operation can be helpful if you doesn't remember the password to your phone or just the software doesn't work properly. So first of all, we need to turn off our device. After that, press and hold volume up and power button together. 1 and 2. Still holding. Phone vibrate, release power button, still holding volume up. Release. Now choose the wipe data factory reset by pressing volume down, acted by power, volume down on yes, power. That's it. Now power to reboot system now. And phone gonna be rebooting and resetting all the data from your phone. That's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.